If you're seeing an Evernote error message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to your notes as fast as possible. These steps are simple, safe, and work for many common Evernote issues like sync errors, loading problems, or sign-in glitches. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes just like this. Now let's jump right in. The first thing to do is restart Evernote completely. Close the app normally, but don't stop there. If Evernote is still running in the system tray, right-click the Evernote icon and choose Quit Evernote. This fully shuts the app down and clears out temporary issues that can cause error messages. Once it's closed, reopen Evernote and see if the problem is gone. If the error is still showing, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Evernote relies on a stable connection to sync your notes and load your content properly. Make sure your device is online, try opening another website, and confirm that your connection is working. Then go back into Evernote and try syncing again. Sometimes, the error message is caused by nothing more than a brief network interruption. If you're still having trouble, the next fix is to sign out and sign back in. Start by clicking your profile icon in the bottom left corner of Evernote, then select Sign Out. If Evernote asks whether you want to keep a backup on your computer, choose the option that makes the most sense for your situation and confirm the sign-out process. After that, restart your computer. This helps refresh the app and clear session issues. Once your computer is back on, open Evernote again and sign back in with your account. In many cases, this alone resolves stubborn error messages. If the issue continues, the next step is to clear the local app data. This is useful when Evernote has corrupted temporary files or cached data that are causing problems. First, close Evernote completely. Then press Windows + R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type %appdata% and press Enter. Inside that folder, look for the Evernote folder and delete it. Don't worry, this removes local app data, not your cloud notes. After that, reopen Evernote and test it again. This can often fix recurring errors that keep coming back. If none of those steps work, the final fix is to reinstall Evernote. Open Settings, then go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Evernote in the list, click the 3 dots next to it, and choose Uninstall. Confirm the removal, then download and install the latest version of Evernote from the official source. Once installation is complete, sign in again and let your notes sync fully. A clean reinstall can resolve damaged program files and restore normal performance. So to recap, if Evernote is showing an error message, start by restarting the app. Check your internet, sign out and being back in, clear the local app data folder if needed, and reinstall Evernote as a last step. One of these fixes will usually solve the issue and get everything working again. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step troubleshooting guides. And if you have a specific Evernote error message you want help with, leave it in the comments and I'll try to cover it in a future video.